Good day to all. This is Ramya Rose, Assistant Professor from Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning from RMD Engineering College. This video we are going to see about the classification of data analytics. So before getting into the classification of data analytics, let's see what is data analytics. See, data analytics is a process or a way by which you try to analyze data, be it a small amount of data or a bigger data set. So when you analyze the data set, you are trying to come to a conclusion or a better decision making. So mainly data analytics is helpful in business area or in forecasting area, health prediction area, and in stuffs where you take some data set, you process it, analyze it to make some strategical guided decision or to make complex solutions. So the various data analytic approaches include descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analytics, and prescriptive analytics. So it is something like our analysis process which is done for a better outcome. So here are the steps which include data analysis. One is data requirement, other one is collecting, organizing, and cleaning of data. So for any data set to be analyzed properly for a better decision, we need to first consider what are all the required data to be collected for that particular data set. So the first step of analysis include requirement. So the requirement is of our choice. We collect some information based on our requirement. So once the data is collected and the proper data set is formed, it is organized in a way properly the information is placed and it is then cleaned for noise-free information. So now we'll see in detail the different types of data analytics. So first we'll discuss about the descriptive analytics. So descriptive analytics is the analysis we do once after something happens. Say for example, there occurred one earthquake or a company faces a severe loss or one person is diagnosed with some health issue. So after something happens, we make one analysis to come to a conclusion describing what had happened. So an analysis which is going to provide a solution for all the what questions talks about descriptive analytics. So next is diagnostic analytics. So diagnostic analytics is a way of analyzing some data set which will answer why something happened. So this again is going to happen after one issue has raised or after one thing has happened. You're making an analysis to come to a conclusion that why it happened. So mainly it works on the principle of hypothesis. So you take one data set and you try to analyze it. So analyzing and you are coming to a conclusion like why it had happened, why into this situation, why the loss, why the disease, and so on. Next is predictive analytics. So prediction, we know it is something related to future. So descriptive as well as diagnostic is something that happens after an issue, where predictive and prescriptive or something that could be done before an incident happens. So predictive analytics is a way by which you try to analyze your data to say what will happen, what are the possible chances for something to happen, what could be the outcome, what could be the weather tomorrow, what could be the expected profit for the next month, and so on. And next type of analytics is prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics is kind of a suggestion, or you are trying to prescribe some solution in future, which may be a right solution, might be a wrong solution. So we are not, we cannot predict exactly what the outcome of your prescriptive analytics is. But if suppose your data set is going to be a better one, and if you are trying to make a proper analysis, your prescription may be may sound into a better solution. So these are actually the possible data analytics. So I'll just give a small recap. So data analytics is just a process of analyzing your data. Analyzing in the sense you take the data set, you read it, you collect from the collected information, you're trying to make some analysis with certain tools, and by the end of the analysis you're trying to come to conclusions, might be some decision making. So your conclusion could answer sometimes what happened, why something happened, what is going to happen, or what should be done in future. So based on these what's, whys, what is going to happen, what should be done, your analytics could be classified into descriptive analytics. So it talks about all the what happened, and diagnostic analytics, which says why something happened, predictive analytics, which will talks about what will happen in future, and your prescriptive analytics, which gives a suggestion or a prescription for preventing something, or prescription for not falling into some trouble, and so on. Thank you.